G'day folks, you know, it's amazing how quickly Christmas comes around and it pays to be organised. I've got my lunch all sorted and the outfit, but when it comes to my shopping, I haven't done any of it, but I got some good ideas here from my good mate, Mr. Fothergill, who has a range of garden gifts using biodegradable pots and packaging and reusable containers. They also promote healthy activities out in the garden or growing food or flowers, which are great for kids and adults alike. These grass hair kits are a lot of fun and they're just $6, which makes them a great stocking filler, and you get all these different funky designs. There's a soil pellet inside that expands with water and you get your grass seeds. You put those in and then over time, the grass hair grows. The kids love them, and I love them too. For the tea enthusiasts, you've got these tea growing kits. There's bergamot, chamomile, lemon balm, and peppermint. And you grow your own tea, and then you drink it. I like it. That's going in the stocking. You've also got the minivan grow kit, Caroline Reaper, and the butterfly garden kit, to name a few in the stocking. So there you go. Why not give the ultimate gift of gardening this Christmas with some healthy and fun-for-all stocking fillers? Remember, Christmas only comes once a year, so make sure you get your stockings well filled.